Yeah, so just going back to the text there, again, I supply these texts for you, but you can definitely get them on your own. They're in the bookstore or on Amazon, get Kindle versions, library, etc. Okay. Um, and so these are the 8 texts that we're going to use. And again, we'll have more to say about them when we get on Wednesday's podcasts and on your work you'll do on discussion boards after thereafter. And then finally, the grades here. So there's 5 parts to the grading. So DB seminar, the discussion boards are worth 30% of your grade. So as you saw on the original, on that first table of the schedule, we do twice a week. We have about 14 weeks. So we're doing, maybe 28 of these, okay, during the semester. Sketches, they're 25% of your grade, and you do about 12 of those, okay? And then exam, 1, 2, and 3 uh, are they're not nothing is cumulative or well, let me take that back. There can be intertextual aspects. You can work with other texts that are outside an exam period if you want. But basically, they're working with, a specific set of texts that, we've worked with for a couple weeks. So 15% of your grade for each of the exams. You can revise your exam grade with an oral defense. So um, after you take the exam, you get your grade back. You can, schedule a Google chat with me, and we'll talk about it. Okay, and we'll try to, work out the kinks and the weaknesses that were in the original exam. Uh, there's no makeups or extra credit in this class, right? So if you're going to miss a deadline, just let me know. I'm not an ogre or a Grinch. Shit happens. So if you know you're going to miss it, just let me know, and we can always renegotiate something. Okay. Uh, but really, there's a lot of writing here, and really the exercise here is getting a deadline. Scheduling yourself as a writer. So just keep that in mind. Okay. All right, let's turn to the next schematic that we have here. Okay. And so this is a narrative sort of overview of the first 2 weeks, sort of modeling what the first, what the class is in through the first 2 weeks. So I've scripted it out, written it out, and so we'll take a look at it. Then I'll, throw you some riffs here and there to explain things.